Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of digital content creation. In today's video, we'll show you how to create viral videos using ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model. If you've ever wondered how to captivate your audience and generate massive engagement, you've come to the right place. Before we reveal the secrets to viral video success, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Unleashing the potential of ChatGPT. To create viral videos, it's crucial to leverage cutting-edge technology. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that can assist you in generating compelling video content. By harnessing the power of natural language processing, ChatGPT helps streamline the creative process and enables you to engage with your audience on a deeper level. Number 2. Discovering trending topics. Now that we have our tool, let's explore the importance of selecting the right video topics. Viral videos are often centered around trending subjects that capture people's attention. With ChatGPT, you can analyze popular topics, keywords, and search trends to uncover what your audience is craving. This invaluable insight will help you craft videos that have a higher chance of going viral. Number 3. Crafting irresistible video scripts. One key element of viral videos is a well-crafted script. With ChatGPT, you can generate creative ideas, refine your message, and even develop catchy one-liners that resonate with your audience. By incorporating ChatGPT's suggestions, you'll be able to enhance your storytelling abilities and create videos that leave a lasting impact. Number 4. Elevating visual impact. Creating visually stunning videos is vital to attract and retain viewers. ChatGPT can assist you in visual storytelling by generating ideas for stunning visuals, suggesting video editing techniques, and even helping you fine-tune your video's aesthetics. By combining ChatGPT's suggestions with your creativity, you'll be able to elevate the visual appeal of your videos and captivate your audience. Number 5. Unveiling engagement metrics. To create viral videos consistently, it's essential to understand audience engagement. ChatGPT offers valuable insights and analytics that help you analyze viewer behavior, optimize your video content, and improve engagement. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you'll be able to create videos that resonate deeply with your audience, increasing the likelihood of viral success. Congratulations! You've unlocked the secrets to creating viral videos with ChatGPT. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it, and please share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more content on digital media and creative strategies. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated with the latest trends and techniques in video creation, make sure to check out our playlist for more valuable content. Until next time, keep creating and keep going viral.